Going from the sports pages to the fashion pages on Vogue is exciting. I think it's nice to show who we are off the pitch. People only see us, for 90 minutes on the pitch, but there's so much more to athletes, and fashion is one way you can express yourself.
We're always photographed in, sportswear and our kit, so it's cool to be able to sort of express ourselves in a different way and wear clothes that we might not normally wear.
Used to being in football boots and my football kit, but mixing that fashion style and a sport twist on it as well has been interesting, and it's a unique experience for a sportswoman like myself.
It's nice to be able to dress up, get a little bit fancy, change our style for the day.
We're a team full of incredible athletes on the field, but also, people are studying, people have careers elsewhere and have interests elsewhere. Some people are really into fashion, like something like we're doing today is something a lot of the girls are interested in. Just a lot of unique personalities, a lot of cool individuals.
We're just a bunch of different people, and I think it's a really accepting and welcoming team. You even see in the meal room people rock up in they're weird and wondrous things, but we're a really accepting team, and a team full of 23 individuals really.
Us Matildas that are in the position that we're in today got here because we had belief in ourselves, we were determined and hardworking from a young age, and that never giving up attitude and that will to want to be better every day on the football pitch, and also be a better person and footballer at the same time.
I think one thing that sets you apart is your attitude and your mindset. As a national team and as a player, as an athlete, I love inspiring the next generation, so I hope that's something myself and us as a national team are able to do.
I think our message always for young girls that look up to the Matildas or look up to individuals within the team is just to be themselves and have fun. I think the Matildas play with such heart and that Australian grit and that never say die attitude, and hopefully young girls watching us and looking up to us see that if they have a dream to be anything now, they really can, and you don't have to fit a certain box to do that.